Namhlanje i-Eskom ne-SIU bafaka amaphepha enkantolo ephakeme eNorth Gauteng. Bafuna ukuthi labo ababezikhulu ababengamalungu ebhodi kanye nomndeni wakwaGupta ukuthi babuyise yonke imali eyasashazwa kwe-Eskom. Emaphepheni afakwa enkantolo, i-Eskom ithi yalahlekelwa zizumbulu zemali eyayisuka kule nkampani ngendlela engaqondakali iya emndenini wakwaGupta. Lokho kwenzeka ngo-2015 ngesikhathi lomndeni uthola i-Optimum Cold Holdings inkontileka yakhona.
Eskom and the Special Investigating Unit have today issued summons in the North Gauteng High Court to recover funds from former Eskom executives, former board members, members of the Gupta family and their associates, and others. The funds were lost in a concerted effort corruptly to divert financial resources from Eskom to improperly and illegally benefit the Gupta family and entities controlled by the said family and their associates during their 2015-2016 acquisition of the operations of Optimum Coal Holdings Limited.